For this week's protective style, I'm going to be utilizing clip-ins from CurlsCurls.com. So many of you have told me that you love the look of wigs but are quite uncomfortable wearing them. So I wanted to show you guys another non-traditional way to wear clip-ins. Now let's get to styling. You may recognize these now week-old curls from my previous Flexi Ride video. And it was nice to wear my hair out briefly, but now we're back to putting it right on the way, child. So I'm just going to continue to work my hair into a high ponytail. Once finished, I'm going to braid my hair into one large braid and secure the end. All you have to do is begin from the bottom and with your shortest width, attach and wrap. I got this idea by watching hairstylists use a similar method on clients for low ponytails, but they were sewing the widths in place instead of clipping them in place. also easily transform this into a thick, healthy top knot for an everyday or workwear. Thanks so much to CurlsCurls for partnering with me to show you guys this simple look for our series, and be sure to check out their Black Friday sale in case you're looking for some clip-ins for yourself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, of course, subscribe to my channel, become a cousin. And if you are an OG cousin, don't leave the channel without saying what's up in the comments. I love all you guys so much. Till next time.